Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Kyle and welcome to DIY Buildouts. Today we're going to do a quick product review on my Cutech jointer and my Cutech planer. So if you're in the market, stay tuned. So I ended up going with the top level 8-inch Teflon coated extendable rails jointer that Cutech sells. It's somewhere in the ballpark of like 480 bucks. But I use a lot of the cheap material from Lowe's and Home Depot, that Douglas fir pine that has all the warps and twists in it. So because of that, I wanted to spare no expense in getting a nice jointer to square up all of those boards. I can honestly say this thing has been great. It does leave a perfect 90-degree edge on everything I throw at it, and the extra little outfeed tables here that come out add that extra little bit of support that you need when you're doing material up to say 4 or 5 feet long. Now the fence on this unit is also spot on. My only gripe is that the two knobs on the back are a little too close together in terms of trying to crank them and adjust it, but once you spend the time to get them locked down, you never really move it again and you get very accurate cuts. Now what good is a product review without a product demonstration? So I'm going to hook up the dust collection here, run a board through, and show you just how awesome this machine is. Okay guys, let's move over here and talk about the Cutech planer. This planer does a really good job. It's their $200-ish entry-level planer, and it does a really nice job of actually milling the material. I'm very happy when it comes to that aspect. The only thing I can complain about on this one is the dust collection. The dust collection on this thing, even when hooked up to my shop vac, is pretty poor. It'll spit chips out the front and out the back, even when that shop vac is sucking full steam. It's just basically because they don't have a blower incorporated into the dust extraction port like the $600 DeWalt does. So if dust collection is your #1 priority, I would tell you to look elsewhere, maybe spend that extra $400 to get that dust collection element. But for me, in this application, I am happy I saved my $400. I basically took it as, okay, let's get a $200-ish planer that can mill the material flat, and let's spend $400 or $500 on a jointer to make sure I can mill everything I want possibly in my shop. So basically, instead of getting a $600 DeWalt, I got a $200-ish Cutech, and then another $400 or $500 jointer. So in the end, this application works for me. I am very happy with it. I'd recommend it for anybody that's interested in it. And out of the two machines, my only gripe is the dust collection on this basic planer. But the outcome on the actual lumber is fantastic, and I can't recommend them enough. Okay guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. A big shout out to Alex for this video recommendation. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you haven't already done so guys, hit the subscribe button below, hit that little bell icon. I have a bunch of really cool projects coming up. We're wrapping up the media entertainment center I'm building here. I got the cabinetry going on down here. I have a couple other projects that are in the works as well. So if you guys want to find out what I'm building, when I'm building it, hit that bell icon so you get a little notification when I upload. All right guys, thanks for watching. Take care.